Alright guys, I'm pretty stoked. I just got off the phone with my buddy and he called me and wanted to know if I want to go riding with him and a couple buddies. So I definitely took him up on that. The only downfall is my bike's not ready yet. So it's filthy and we got to get it cleaned up. But that's going to happen tomorrow because it's getting late out. And you guys got one of these cheap $100 pressure washers. I got nothing bad to say about mine. I did have this little box that's supposed to be on here. I did have that screw up on me one time. So, I mean, I think it's supposed to keep you from getting electrocuted or something. I don't really know how this thing grounds out since it's only a 2-prong, but hey, it still works. Nobody that I know has ever died from 120, so. So I let this thing sit outside for a while, let it get dried off. I brought it in here. I'm gonna do one more wipe down with some Windex probably and some rags. And then we're gonna get out some shiny spray. So I know what all you guys are thinking. Like, you're gonna go get this thing filthy tomorrow. It's been filthy for a month. Why are you even washing it? Why are you putting this much time in it? I mean, other than the fact of maintaining this thing so that it lasts forever, like, it's just the unwritten rule. You don't show up anywhere with a dirty machine. I don't care where you're going, okay? You show up looking fresh, all right? Clean, minty, whatever you want to say. You show up looking good. I got this saying, clean rubber at the track is dirty rubber in the sack, all right? It's as simple as that. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Ain't nobody showed up with dirty rubber making dirty rubber, all right? You gotta show up with clean rubber, all right? Speaking of rubber, this is my favorite part.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
All right, now I got this thing looking fresh. We are ready for the morning. I will be back here in the morning and we'll be on our way. So my bike didn't even make it out of the yard before it fell over. I think it's good now. Last trailer's getting hooked up. We got these goons here. We're gonna show how to ride. Some dirty ass bikes. Jesus, kids bringing dirty rubber to the track. Tisk, tisk, tisk. All right. See you, Majestic.
Unlock it.
Ah. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. How far back do you think he'll come if I keep doing this? Keep coming, 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 keep coming. You got like this much? Damn, I couldn't get him into the weeds. When I rode it, every time you hit the throttle, it just showed a no.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'm a cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep me real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car cards and get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fold, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll. Peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Pretty good.
Is it on the rim?
No, but you can hear it fucking shooting out. Might have to run back, grab the plugs, and come back.
This is the tire we plugged in it.
Yeah.
So it's the other tire that's great.
You getting squishy? Brandon, might as well lean the bike against the tree. We don't need that one.
Wish I made a better track. Oh, nice.
And that's why I don't let you wear my helmets.
Yeah. Bring Pringles with you. I get hungry.
We brought Pringles, but we didn't bring plugs.
Yeah. We'll plug it with Pringles. Note to self. Those are the too.
We'll just rip one of his nubs off.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're falling off anyway.
Those was for you when you were going. The ones like flopping around like. Yeah, but I don't know which one it was.
How flat is that?
Get down. It's probably been leaking for a while. Oh shit.
He ain't gonna make it back.
Don't.
Chop it?
Don't get this camera action in there right now. Actually, it's shining so much off his head that.
You want it off?
I think it is on. There's a red light on with a timer that keeps going off. Oh yeah, just like when we do shows.
Yeah.
Oh. While they're pumping up the tire, and get some other camera action. All this will be probably edited anyways. Yes, all that hand pumping.
Go beast, oh no. I go beast, go deep, I-O-D, oh no. I go deep, block pressure, police, oh no. Put that 5 degrees, oh no. 500 degrees, go beast, oh no. I go beast, go deep, I-O-D, oh no. I go deep, block pressure, police, oh no. Put that 5 degrees, oh no. Countdown, levitate, going up. God take control. I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later, see you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam, blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Yo, go dummy, go beast, oh no, I go beast, go deep, I OD, oh no, I go deep, blood pressure, but heat, oh no, put that fire, 0 degrees, oh no, 100 degrees, go dummy, go beast, oh no, I go beast, go deep, I OD, oh no, I go deep, blood pressure, but heat, oh no, put that fire, 0 degrees, oh no, 100 degrees, smell good, skin clear, this here my year, hey look up here, this here my tier, same fit 4 days, I grind 4 ways, I play no games, all me, no blame, on the wave, my own wave, can't stop my shine, in the lane, my own lane, can't stop my grind, 40 yard in the V12, like 1.5, at 19, I click 19 in a month, no lie, I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters, see you trying, see you later, I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam, blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Yo, go dummy, go beast, oh no, I go beast, go deep, I OD, oh no, I go deep, blood pressure, but heat, oh no, put that fire, 0 degrees, oh no, 100 degrees, go dummy, go beast, oh no, I go beast, go deep, I OD, oh no, I go deep, blood pressure, but heat, oh no, put that fire, 0 degrees, oh no, 100 degrees. That money clip was not a new looks like. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like.
Yeah, he stalled about 3 times already.
I figured when he kept falling behind, I'm like, oh, he must have.
Well, I was trying not to ride in front of him in case he wiped out so I could get it. I was trying to ride in front of him so he could watch me and kind of. I mean, I want to get it on film if you like that. Nothing against you, but.
Oh, I Here, Winnie, watch this. Your brother sucks at riding a dirt bike. Oh, look. Oh, he stalled it again.
Press the button and the doors go up like, that money clip was not a new that looks like. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip, neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's name, neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, there's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. Even the shooter, that's cold case. Those from the deals, that's rose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep with me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Got the big bags of fucking
Taking it with a rock. Right up that hill, I'm like, oh.
that money clip was not a new that looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like. That money clip was not a new that looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa. On track, now we going way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going.
We got home late last night and the GoPros were dead. We were all sleeping. After we got food in our stomach, we just crashed. So this is the aftermath of the day at Majestic. It's not too bad. but my gear's pretty muddy. If you guys are interested in the shiny spray I used, this is what I carry. It works really, really well. It definitely makes your plastic look much, much better, and it's gonna make this mud super easy to come off. So, highly recommend that. Another tip I do that I didn't talk about or show is all this aluminum in here. Once everything's clean, I buy WD-40 by the gallon jug with their little spray bottle, and I spray everything that's aluminum with WD-40. It definitely helps keep the corrosion off the bike a lot, and it just helps it look better. So if you enjoy having a clean bike, this is definitely some helpful tips. But all right, you guys enjoyed this. Just got a website going. Link is down in the description, so please check that out. It's not 100% done yet, so got some more stuff to do on that, but it's coming. So you guys can learn more about AMSOIL and check out some of the apparel. So all right, guys, peace.